Okay, so then we finished loading YouTube. Okay, so we're live on YouTube. Now, do we have an interpreter?
No, Judge, not.
We need an interpreter on your guy, right, Sid?
Yes,
Yeah.
John.
Yes, yes. They're logging in. They know to log in, Judge. And while we're doing that, let me do some housekeeping. Miss Robles, which case are you here for? The Barry King or
Juanita
Uribe?
Uribe for
Uribe. Okay.
Fernandez. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You got an offer on that case?
No, nothing. This is the one I emailed about. It's a family violence case, so I'm not sure if the I don't know who the prosecutor is, if they're gonna want to go forward.
Kendra, on page 4, Uribe, we got an offer on that one?
Kendra, you muted. Still muted.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, my computer wouldn't let me unmute it. It said my sound was not connected. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Page 4. I'm looking it up now.
Okay, Arlene's coming in.
They did make an offer on page 4 for Juanita.
Uribe?
Yes,
Yes. So there's no offer.
there is an offer.
There is an offer. Can we go into a breakout room?
Yes.
Hey, what? Can I take this plea because I got an interpreter that's going to have to go somewhere else?
Okay,
Right,
Judge.
let me take this plea and then I'll let you go in the breakout room with the prosecutor.
Sure, Judge. Good
Arlene, are
morning.
you here?
I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning, Arlene. Not only do I have to push the dreaded interpreter button, I have to do it from my house where I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So just
Oh,
give me a minute because I think I can
Sure.
still do this even though I'm in the house. Okay, let's see.
yeah, it doesn't matter.
Interpretation. All right. Now I'm going to type in your name. Nothing against you personally. It's just that interpretation button always gets him.
Hey,
All
Terry,
right.
I'm gonna call you on your cell phone.
All right. I'm
Yes,
hitting
sir.
English. So now, Arlene, can you check? I don't think Alex has set it up because I can hear you speaking. Ramirez.
I gotta put it in.
Can you set up the computer for interpretation on auxiliary court bench 2? We're ready. Okay. All right. Now, let me find him on my paper document now. Mr. Farias Gonzalez, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen, sir? Is your name Carlos Farias Gonzalez? Are you the same Carlos Farias Gonzalez when this calls number 730-334, who's charged with the offense of theft of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you? This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case? I'm looking at a document that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Sí.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Sí.
And do you understand it?
Sí.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
No.
Do you understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country?
Sí, yo lo entiendo.
In other words, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It is possible you could lose your right to become a naturalized American citizen. It is possible you could be deported. Do you understand those three possibilities?
Sí, sí, lo entiendo.
Mr. Montoya, did you talk to your client about the possible immigration consequences, and does he understand them?
Yes, Your Honor, I've explained those to him and he understands them.
Okay, thank you. I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it, and so is your attorney. When you signed this, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me, a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of theft of something having a value between $100 and $750, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me opongo.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anybody promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please decide if there is?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 4 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Montoya?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Farias Gonzalez?
Sí.
So then the court, sir, having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sent you to 4 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served. Hold on a minute. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. Is this the only case holding your client? Sid?
I believe so, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Can't tell you exactly when that'll be, but it should be sometime today if there are no other holds on you, such as the immigration hold. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I
And
be-
Steve, thank you for helping us out today. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge.
Gracias. Carlos Farías.
That's it for you, Arlene. Thank you. All right.
All right, you should have, Mr. Cummings, are you ready with your client, Thomas?
Yes, ma'am, we're ready.
Both 2 cases, Judge, 1 MTR, 1 regular.
Hold on 1 minute. Let me see what I got here. That's on Thomas. What page is he on the docket, please? I'm sorry.
Yes, Judge, he's on page 4, Judge.
Page 4. Okay, and Thomas The regular case is it the one ending in 89?
Yes, Judge.
And then the other case, 63, is that a regular probation or deferred? Can someone tell me?
That
Yeah,
one
this-
is deferred, Judge.
The deferred? Okay. Hold on 1 minute. On the 89. Okay, on my screen and on my paper, there's two different numbers, so I want to make sure. My paper docket says it's 07589. On my screen, it's showing 7598. Which is the correct number?
The 7589 is the correct one, Your Honor.
Okay.
89, Judge.
All right. Sanai, I think you're gonna have to correct that if it's the same on
Okay, I'll fix it.
you'll fix it. Okay, thank you. Okay, can I get Mr. Thomas into the auxiliary court bench?
Yes.
He's already there,
There he
Judge.
is. There he is. Okay, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I am about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes.
Is your name Timothy Thomas?
Yes.
Are you the same Timothy Thomas who in this cause number 2024 PF 07589? It should be 89. Is that right, Sanai?
Yes.
It should be 89.
Are you?
The state is TICing this case and will be proceeding on the motion to revoke only.
Oh, thank you for letting me know. I'm sorry. So this one's going to be TIC?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let me go back. And do, let's see, the other one, which is a 6-3 case. Okay, again, is your name Timothy Thomas?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Timothy Thomas who in this cause number CC 733763, who is currently on deferred adjudication for the offense of evading arrest? Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. I have before me on my screen a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Video Conference. Basically, when you sign this document, your lawyer signed this document, you would tell me that it was okay to do this by video. We do not have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you've signed it and your lawyer signed it. And by signing this document, you in effect told me that you understand that if I adjudicate you guilty of this offense, that you have a limited right of appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes.
The reason we are here is that there's been a motion to revoke your probation filed in this case that alleges that during the term of your probation that you violated the conditions of your probation. Can I ask the prosecutor to please read the alleged violation?
We will be proceeding on violation of condition number 1, that on or about the 16th day of July 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Timothy Gerald Thomas committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
To that allegation, sir, how do you plead? True or not true?
Guilty.
It's either true or not true. Is that allegation true or not true?
True.
Okay. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you entering this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor, the agreement is to revoke community supervision, enter an adjudication of guilt, and sentence the defendant to 132 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied. Additionally, we will take into consideration cause number 2024 PF 07589.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Thomas?
Yes.
And you, Mr. Cummings?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And the court, having heard the plea of true to the motion to revoke in this case, your probation is revoked. I adjudicate you guilty of the underlying offense of arrest. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 132 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, the time and the money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Taken into consideration will be 2024 PF 07589. That means that case will be dismissed in return for your plea in this case. And I'll ask the district attorney to please send me that dismissal before the end of today's Zoom meeting. Is there anything else that would be holding your client?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Okay, then if this is the only case holding you, sir, you should be released sometime today. Good luck to you.
Hey, can I ask you one question? I was on probation. Was there any other hold on me?
That probation is going to be, that probation case is the one he just pled to. As far as I know, there's no other holes. Your lawyer doesn't think there's any other holes. So that's it. You should be released sometime today, unless there's something I don't know about. Well, you don't know about. All right. Good luck to you, sir. Mr. Cummings, thank you. You can be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Don't have Ms. Robles, are you ready to go into room 6 with the state?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh,
room
I'm
6.
sorry. I forgot, Ms. Robles, I'm sorry. Excuse me.
It's okay, Judge. No problem.
And Kendra assigned to 6. Okay.
You know, Angelise, it may have been the way you set up those rooms.
I know. We'll see if that happens again where she can't come back. Maybe there's something wrong the way I did it.
Excuse me.
Yeah, but there should be a way to go back to the way it was set up before, but I have no idea how to do that.
Yeah.
Pardon me, Terry, that girl's
Yes.
here. I'm gonna put her in 1.
Oh, Clamato
Yes.
in 1? Okay,
Yes.
got it. There you go, Ms. Cranberg, moving you to room 1.
Okay, and I'm signing the motion to dismiss on the Thomas case right now.
I thought I followed everything how Alex said. Terry, when you start them, you just say assign manually.
Yes.
Okay, that's what I did. And then
Assign
now
ma-
on
a
options.
10 rooms assigned manually and then open all rooms. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then on the bottom here on options, it's checked on allow participants to choose room.
Oh,
No, I don't think you allow participants to choose room.
I didn't have it checked at first, and then when Kendra said that she couldn't get back, I checked it. So I don't know.
Okay, well, let's see if they come back. I'm not
Yeah.
sure. Go ahead, Alex.
it's all your fault, Angelise. Okay, and today when we end this meeting, you're not excused. You're going to be punished by staying here longer.
Some sanctions here.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Terry,
Yes.
I'm on YouTube joking too. I can't believe that.
Komato, does she have 2 cases or 1?
Say that again, Alex.
Does Komato Shannon, does she have 2 cases or 1?
She's got like 5 cases, and I don't know which ones we're going on. That's the problem. I don't know.
Where's the attorney?
The attorney's in room 1. She should be in room 1. Let's see,
Okay.
Ms. Cranberg.
She's not in room one. It's not showing her.
She's here on the,
document
she's here in the main room. Miss
Okay.
Cranberg? Oh, there's she, Miss Cranberg? I don't hear you. Danielle?
I don't know. Well, I don't know.
I moved her to room one to confer with her client. I don't know why she's back here. I don't know. Miss Cranberg? I don't know, Judge.
Okay.
I see her on the screen. I just can't, I don't know if she can't hear me or we
Yeah, you
can't
may
hear
have to
her.
call her on the phone. She may
Yeah.
have just like gone to do something else.
Oh, there she is, Miss Cranberg. Hello, hello. I just heard her speak, Judge.
She went, it looks like.
Okay, it looks like she left. Okay. Oh, no, she went back to one. That's where she went. Okay, good.
Okay, she's in one. Okay, we've got Cranberg in room one, Rondell Rosa in room two, and room three has nobody in it. Do we have any attorney that need to be assigned? No, we don't.
No, Judge, I have to start calling attorneys now. I'm missing a few. Okay. Okay.
They're having to come back into the waiting room.
Yeah, they're having to log off and come back in. Okay. Miss Robles, you have an offer now.
I do, Teresa, if I could get a breakout room with my client, see if
Okay, moving you to room 3. There you go.
you.
Okay, I'm looking at my participants box. And it's in the options, it says allow participants to choose room, and that's checked. Shall I uncheck it?
I don't know, Judge. I don't know.
That's how it was originally. And then when Kendra said she couldn't come back, I checked it just to see if that would fix it, but I guess it's not fixing it.
I'm going to uncheck it and we're going to see what happens now. Okay.
All right, Judge. Good morning, Mr. O'Donnell. You got Barry King set this morning. What do we do?
Terry,
I'm sorry.
I apologize for being late.
Oh, no worries.
I forgot to talk to the state real quick.
You know, talk to the state. Let's see, Kendra, I am moving you back to room 6. Brian, assigned to room 6.
And Mr. O'Donnell, if you can't come back, we're having some issues right now with the rooms. Let us know if there is an issue, okay?
Very well. Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Gary. I got your email this morning saying the state's not ready. What's going on Antonio Alexis, page 2, Judge?
Okay.
Yes, the state had sent me an email yesterday afternoon saying that they were unable to make an official offer because they haven't had the victim contact yet. They will be asking for a reset at this time to see get in touch with the CW associated with the both cases. It is a terroristic threat case, so I'm assuming that's the issue.
Okay. All right. Did they say how long the reset has to be? Do you want to reset back here to jail court?
They did not say. I'm okay with a very fast reset. It shouldn't take long to make a phone call.
Okay, well, let's see, today's the 25th. We're looking at about next Wednesday. We're looking at about October the 2nd. You want a week reset, maybe a week and a day? What does your schedule look for next week to come back?
I
Wednesday,
can always
Thursday?
come early for jail court, so whatever the judge thinks is fair.
Okay, okay, so are you available October the 2nd, Mr. Gary?
I am.
Okay, reset to 10-2, reset to 10-2, and that is a Wednesday. Okay, then we will see you then, Mr. Gary. I'll reset this case 1 week.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Brian, you got your offer.
Yes, Jerry.
Okay, got it. I'm just gonna move you to room 7 for right now, Brian.
Okay. And
Actually,
he came back
no.
into the room. He came back on your own, right? On this.
No,
No.
Judge, it only gave me the option to leave the meeting, so I did, and then I joined again.
Okay, just stay right there, Brian. I won't move you to room 7 because then you're gonna have to get you back out of that room to put you in a breakout room with your client that's too much. So just stay right there. I'll let you know when your client, all the breakout rooms are full. As soon as I get one open, I'll put you in.
So I'm going to go back and recheck, allow participants to choose a room. Evidently. I wonder what the other option was, or what the deal is.
I wonder if, I'm not sure, at least on my end, yesterday my Zoom did a update. So
Maybe that's
it's
it.
possible. I wonder, Terry, if someone might have to log in on the settings of this account, whatever account is used for jail court, to double check that something didn't get,
Well, I don't know. I'm just a dumb old guy. I don't know. Okay.
Judge, did Terry log off?
She's in a breakout room right now with one of the.
Thank you.
Yeah, she went to the breakout room 2.
I guess let's see if she's able to get out. I get stuck in there.
You have to log off and then come back in again.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. We don't know. There's some kind of glitch in the thing, and we don't know
what's happening.
what's happening with it. Yeah.
Okay, there she is. Terry.
Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
That's okay. Ms. Uribe accepted a JSAT offer. If we could get paperwork, please.
Okay, I sent the paperwork to Kelly. Did you not get it? Do you know how to look that up?
No, I don't have
okay.
access to Kelly's.
Okay, Beatrice, I'm just gonna send you straight to your emails, beatrice.robles@bear.org. Am I right?
That is correct. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just send you the paperwork. I'm sending that now.
Thank
Go
you.
ahead. Do you know how to, let's see, where are you? What room are you in? 3?
I was in 3.
Okay.
I'll go just back there and then we'll go over the paperwork.
Yeah. I'll send you the paperwork. It'll just take me 2 minutes.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, it'll be at the top of your email.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Teresa, did you have to go log out and then log back in? Once you
No,
got
Judge, it just sent me right back to the main room.
But the other people have to log out and come back in.
Yeah, I don't know what all that's about, Judge, but I was able to come right back in, Judge.
That's because you're special.
Yeah, that's right.
That's me.
I had to say something, Judge. Yeah.
All
Okay.
right.
That paperwork was sent to Miss Robles, so yeah, this paperwork is done and sent to Miss Robles. Okay, so she's got her paperwork there, Judge. So we should be doing Uribe. The only attorney that I'm missing, Judge, on page 4, I'm missing Jorge Canales. He has not shown up for Faustino Jimenez. So I called him and left him a message to log in ASAP, Judge, but let's see what he does. I went in there to talk to Brian De La Rosa because he's taking a while, Judge. That case on Brian De La Rosa, apparently it's going to be a probation case on the very first page, very first one.
De La Rosa. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a probation, and that's why they're taking so much longer, Judge, because they had to fill out probation paperwork and stuff. So just FYI.
Okay.
FYI to the CLO. Oh, Brian is here. Mr. O'Donnell? Oh, that's right. That's right. Sorry. I'm waiting for a room. Yeah, all the rooms are still full. Sorry. I'm not used to the attorneys being here. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, we have 3 breakout rooms and they're all full of attorneys right now, Mr. O'Donnell. We'll get to you as soon as we can.
Very well, Judge.
Oh.
Terry, 2 is open. The rose is ready.
All right. Do you have, let's see, Brian O'Donnell's client is named Barry King. You got Barry King on page 4?
Yes.
I'll put him in 2. Is that what you said?
Yes.
Okay, moving you to 2, Mr. O'Donnell.
Thank you, Terry.
Okay, I'm waiting for Mr. Dolorosa to get back, Judge. I think he had to log out and then, oh no, he's in room 5. I don't know what he's trying to do. Move to main session. Okay, I'm bringing Mr. Dolorosa back. And, okay, here is Mr. Dolorosa. Okay, Judge, we're ready on DeRosa.
Oh man, yeah, I was trying to get back to the main room.
Yeah, you have to log off and then log back in. Sorry, Brian. Sorry.
We're having a computer situation today, and we don't know what to do about it. No, I'm not
Man,
smart enough.
My whole life is a situation today. Jeez.
Okay, let me see here. I got the Rosa's paperwork on my screen. Where is Mr. DeRosa?
Yeah, okay. So you know where to type it.
No. Can I get Mr. DeRosa on the auxiliary court bench, please? Can I have a deputy do that for me? Hello?
You have to go to one after Leonard. Because it's what day?
Deputies, any deputy? Terry, can you stick your head in there?
Yeah. Let me call Ramirez real quick, Judge.
Oh, you're at home? Oh,
Yes,
that's right.
Judge.
You are at home. I forgot.
Yes,
I kept thinking
Judge.
you were at the jail. Sorry.
Is this? Can the state hear me?
Yes, I
Yeah.
can.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, there you are. Hey, are you? You have the plea deal for Mr. DeRosa?
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure because I had some back and forth with the state. I don't think it was you, but I just want to make sure we were clear that he's going to be taking the deferred offer.
Okay.
Okay, is that
I'll
Mr.
chat what I
DeRosa?
have and you can make sure it's the same.
Yeah.
Is that your client, Mr. De La Rosa?
Yes, Ronald DeRosa.
Okay, got it.
Mr. DeRosa, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. Let me open up your paperwork. Okay, I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see the screen, sir?
I'm telling you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name Ronald DeRosa?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Ronald DeRosa who in this cause number 731-397 stands charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having the value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled defendant's waiver of constitutional rights. And you have signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes,
And do you understand it?
yes.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document.
Put that garbage can right there. Have a few of the blue cheddar, and then we're gonna put you on that right here in a minute, okay?
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. And you have signed it, and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes,
So then, to the offense of criminal mischief as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
Okay, and you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. You understand that?
Yes. Yes, Your
Has
Honor.
anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No,
Besides a plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
no.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes,
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $250 fine, court costs, 12 months of deferred adjudication, 48 hours of community service, and $500 in restitution to Colby Segovia.
That is the agreement, Your Honor.
And do you agree to this, Mr. De Rosa?
yes,
And Mr. De Rosa, the deferred can be a good deal, it can be a bad deal. The good part about the deal is if you successfully complete it, you can truthfully say you were never convicted of this crime, all right? The bad part of the deal is if you screw up and you get violated, you could be looking at the maximums in this case, the maximum 1 year, the maximum $4,000 fine. Do you understand that?
yes,
And understand that you still want to do this?
yes,
Okay. Then the court, sir, having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer or postpone any adjudication in this matter for 12 months. I put you on probation for 12 months. I assessed a $250 fine. As court costs. I make it a condition of your probation that you do 48 hours community service. Make it a condition of probation that you pay restitution. I'm looking for the restitution blank. I know there's one here somewhere. There you go. Pay restitution in the amount of $500 to initial C Segovia. No, that going there. Type that again. The probation officer, is the probation officer here?
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Okay. When we finish with this, tell the deputies that you have to wait and you have to talk to the probation officer, okay? Don't let them send you back without talking to the probation officer, okay?
yes,
The probation officer will have more stuff to go over with you. And after that, if this is the only case holding you, then you should be released, all right? Good
yes,
luck.
Your Honor. Thank you.
And thank you, Mr. De La Rosa. You may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good luck, Ronald.
Thank you, sir.
All right, we'll see you guys. I think I'm coming back on Friday, so we'll see y'all then.
Okay, take care. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Bye. All right, Mr. O'Donnell, are you ready on Barry King?
Yes, sir.
All right. O'Donnell is.
Ready on King.
We'll have a seat right here in the green chair.
Okay, no King. Let me find him on my paper docket.
Oh, okay.
King is on page 4 of my docket. Stop the share temporarily. Mr. King. Where is he?
Wait, isn't that, Alex not here, is she?
Do we, can,
Wait right there, she'll pop over.
okay, is this Miss King? DeCaris Barry King? Is that you, man?
No, who did you, we don't have,
Like the mail.
we need King,
Barry King.
Mary King.
Barry King is the last name. Bary-King, K-I-N-G.
All right.
King.
Yeah, I have somebody else. Why don't you go back over there? Go sit in that blue chair for me, please. All right. King. No contest. All right. Go have a seat.
Okay. Mr. King. You raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see the screen, sir? Do you see the screen, sir?
No contest.
Okay, Mr. King. Now, what's my question? My question is, do you see the computer screen?
Yes.
Do you see the paperwork that's on that computer screen?
Yes.
Okay. Is your name DeCaris Barry King?
Yes.
Are you the same DeCaris Barry King who in this cause number 2024 CC 737-475 was charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property?
Yes.
Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes.
Looking now at a document that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference that you've signed, that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. You don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes.
We're done with the document already?
Looking at another document that's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
Yes.
Are you a citizen of this country, sir?
Yes.
I'm now looking at another document titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed this document, so is your attorney. When you signed this document, what you did is you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass of property, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes. No contest.
And do you understand that on a plea to no contest, the court can still find you guilty? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea, sir?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine. Court costs 28 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, money, and time to run concurrent. And the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. O'Donnell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Barry
Yes.
King? Do you agree to this, Mr. Barry King?
Yes.
Okay. The court then, having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 28 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Is this the only case holding your client, Mr. O'Connell?
I believe so. Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. O'Donnell, not Mr. O'Connell. I'm sorry. And there be another thing holding him, then he should be released sometime today. Good luck to you. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Miss Robles is out, Judge. Miss Robles, are you ready?
Thanks.
No, I'm
Ranger?
yeah.
Have a seat.
Miss Robles, are you ready for a plea?
I am
Yes,
ready.
okay, thank you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Who does Ms. Robles represent, please?
Juanita Uribe.
Uribe.
What's your name?
Okay. Looking at the-
How about Shannon Camiato? She's been sitting here patiently waiting. Do we
We don't have an
her?
attorney, I don't believe. Monica Guerrero's not here yet.
No, Danielle Cranberger is filling in, Judge, and Danielle is here.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
let's get
We're
her.
ready.
Okay. Who is there in front of my screen right now? Who is on my screen?
That's her,
Camiato.
Judge.
Camiato's on the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Robles, you've been waiting a long time. Is it okay if I do Ms. Camiato?
Absolutely, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ms. Camiato has
Thanks,
got
Adrian.
several cases, so someone want to help me on this because I'm not sure exactly what case she's.
Yes, Judge. So she's pleading on 737-620. That might be in your paperwork as a TF though, because Monica filed it or filled it out before it got filed.
Okay.
She's also pleading on 729-902 and then
Hold on. I'm looking for that one.
729-903.
I found the 737-620.
Yes.
And so the
so
other one I'm looking for,
are the two criminal mischiefs.
two criminal mischiefs.
The
Okay.
902 and the 903.
I see the 902. Okay, and then there should be a 903. Come on, Canales.
And then the criminal trespass and the failed to ID will be dismissed as part.
Okay, I'm having a hard day today, so hold on 1 minute. I know that she's taking a plea on 620, and I know she's taking a plea on 903. Okay.
And
the thing-
902.
902. And the reason I'm doing this, taking my sweet time on this, because if I screw this up, she could be in jail a long time. Don't do the
I
paperwork.
appreciate it, Judge.
I've got 902 check marked. I have 37620 check marked. And the other case is a 03, the criminal mischief. She's taking a plea on that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And then the 9-1
The other
is
two will
being-
be dismissed.
9-1 is being TIC'd,
Mhm.
and the 620, is that being TIC'd?
No, the 620 is a terroristic threat. She's pleading to that one.
Oh, she's pleading to that. Okay. And then she's pleading also to 902. So which is the other case that's being TIC'd? Am I missing something?
737-510. It should be a failed ID.
Okay. And that's being TIC'd.
So it should be
Okay,
pleaded
let's-
3, dismissed 2.
Okay, and so the ones that she's pleading on, criminal mischief is an A, the terroristic threats, is that a A or a B?
Yeah, it's a B because it's non-family violence.
It's a B?
Mhm.
And 2. And then 903 is the 903 criminal mischief. That's a B, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So then the one that I need to be concerned with is the 2, since that's an A. Let me see if I can find that 1 minute. Okay. Okay. I think I can sort this out. All right, Ms. Comiato, can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
You swear the testimony you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you.
Yes, sir.
Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. Is your name Shanna Comiato?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Shanna Comiato who in this cause number 729902, who in this cause number is charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
That would be me.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in this case?
Yes, sir, I do.
Are you also the same Shanna Comiato who in cause number CC 729903, who in that case is charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $50 and $500? Is that you in that case?
Yes, sir, that would be me.
I'm looking for the other case. Well, this case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to a maximum 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Can someone give me the cause number of the third case she's pleading on? Or is that it?
It should be CC 729903.
9903. Okay. And are you also the same person who in cause number CC 729903, who in that cause number is charged with the offense of criminal mischief of something having a value between $50 and $500?
Yes, sir.
And that case is a Class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in that case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. You understand what you're charged with in that case and what the possible punishment could be in that case?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. Before I go any further, I know that 37491 is being TIC'd, and I believe 37510 is being TIC'd. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. In all of these cases, you have filed documents entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you've filed it in 3 cases, and you've signed this document in 3 cases along with your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, you have filed this document in all 3 of the cases that you're pleading on. You have signed it in all 3 of the cases you're pleading on, and so is your attorney. Did you go over these documents with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain these documents to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand them?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, and so is your attorney. You filed this document in all 3 cases, and you signed it in all 3 cases. When you did that, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So then, in cause number CC 729902, and that cause number, and let me make sure I got this right. And that cause number, how do you plead, ma'am? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay. And then in cause number CC 729903, and that cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
Okay. And now I'm looking for the third cause number. Give me 1 minute. And I believe the third cause number that you're pleading to is a terroristic threats case, which is cause number 2024. Is that correct, by the way, Ms. Mitchell?
Yes, Your Honor.
And cause number 2024 CC 737620, where you charge a terroristic threats. And that cause number, how do you plead, man? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Again?
No contest, sir.
No contest. Okay. You understand that on pleas of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. You understand that, man?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides those, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're entering these pleas of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain in these cases? If it's the same, it can be recited once, otherwise we can do it separately.
No, sir.
Yes,
Okay. State?
yes, Your Honor. The agreement in all three cases is for a $0 fine, court costs, 45 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied. Additionally,
Okay, go ahead.
we will take into consideration cause number 2024 CC 737491 and cause number 2024 CC 737510.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in these cases, Ms. Robles?
My case.
Is this your case? It's not your case, is it? It's Ms. Cranberg, isn't it? I'm sorry. Ms. Cranberg, is
That was
this your
just
case?
our agreement, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you agree to these plea bargains, Ms. Comiato?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, then Ms. Comiato, in cause number 729902, where you're charged with criminal mischief of something having a value between $750 and $2,500. In that case, the court, having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court follows the plea bargain. I accept that plea. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 45 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment satisfied. Taken into consideration will be cause number 2024 DC 737491, which I believe is a criminal trespass case, and cause number 2024 CC 737510, which is a failure to identify. Those cases will be taken into consideration, which means those cases will be dismissed in return for your plea in these cases. And I'll ask the state to please tender those dismissals to me before the end of the Zoom meeting. So I've signed one of these things. Now you have to hang on while I sign two more, all right? To make sure that she doesn't get caught up. All right, so let me see. Okay. Okay, no, that one. How about this one? No, I got 2 motions to dismiss there, so let me go. No, come on. Okay, now I'm going to the 10760 case. So bear with me while I sign this paperwork. Okay, then in cause number 2024 PF 10760. Let me find that on my cat. Where the charge is terroristic threats. In that case, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain, sentence you to $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 45 days. 45 days in Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment satisfied. I've signed that one. Now I've got to find the other one. Okay. Pull the other one up.
The only thing I have left to do is my probation for my assault.
Okay, then cause number 729903, where you're charged with criminal mischief of something having a value between $50 and $500. In that case, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 45 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judge is satisfied. I've got 2 dismissals I'd like to sign before I let her go, so I make sure I've signed all her paperwork. So hold on. Okay, and then cause number 2024 CC 737510, which was taken into consideration. I'm signing that dismissal right now.
Ready?
Did it meet?
I'm signing the second dismissal right now.
Good lawyer. Very good lawyer. I was supposed to have court next month. And she pushed it further.
Okay, I've signed all the paperwork and all the pleas. I've signed all the dismissals, so there should be nothing on my end that's holding there. Is this the only case that's holding you, client, Ms. Cranberry?
It is, Judge.
Okay, if these are the only cases holding her, she should be released sometime today. Good luck to you, Ms. Camayapa.
Thank you, Judge. If I can be excused.
You can be excused, Ms. Cranberry. Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
Ms. Beatrice Robles, thank you for being so patient with me this morning.
Of
Okay?
course, Judge. It's one of those days.
It definitely is. You don't have time for me to explain this to you, so it's okay. Now, who is your client, ma'am?
Juanita Uribe.
Juanita Uribe. Let me find her on my pepper pocket. Okay. Okay, I see Juanita Uribe on my paper docket. That's a good sign. She only has one case, correct?
Correct, Judge.
Okay, and so Uribe. Okay. All right, I've got her paperwork coming up and loading on my screen now. Okay, Ms. Uribe, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see the screen?
Yes.
Is your name Juanita Uribe?
Yes.
Are you the same Juanita Uribe who in this cause number 2024CC 737-209, who in this cause number is charged with the offense of terroristic threats, a family member? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to a maximum of 1 year in 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail, and there's a fine anywhere from a minimum of $0 to $1,000. You understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm looking now at a document. Let me see. Where's that sound coming from? Is it coming from you or is it somewhere else?
It was in the building here, Your Honor. It's
Okay. All right. That's fine. Never mind. I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do an open court. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Ms. Robles did, yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
So then, to the offense of terroristic threats, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
I understand, Judge.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, Judge.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs 119 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Robles?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Uribe? Ms. Uribe, do you agree to this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain, sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, I sentenced you to 119 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served. Time and money incurred, and the judgment is satisfied. Is this the only case holding you, client, Ms. Robles?
It is, Your Honor.
If this is the only case holding you, ma'am, then you should be released sometime today. All right? Good luck to you.
Thank you so much. Have a
And Ms.
great day.
Robles, thank you again for being so patient with us today.
Anytime, Judge. Thank you. Good seeing you.
You can be excused. Good seeing you.
All right, Judge, the last case on the docket for Jorge Canales, Judge, is Faustino Jimenez, Judge. I'm just gonna reset that one till later in the week, Judge.
Okay.
I gotta get a hold of him because I don't know what he wants to
Okay.
do with this. Yeah, I'll reset it later, Judge,
Okay.
next week.
Okay.
So that's it, Judge. We're ready for the bonds.
Wow. Okay. We sliced and we diced. Go.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Hold on. Side. Okay. Do we have Jennifer?
Yes, Judge.
Internet?
You want the magic words, Judge?
I'm sorry?
You want the magic words?
I can't hear. I heard something courts. Oh, magic words. No magic words for you today. No.
You can still
Hold on,
turn
hold
off
on, hold
YouTube
on,
even if
hold
I'm
on.
punished.